How do we ensure the climb of artificial intelligence towards innovations that are both sustainable and impactful? The answer lies in the digital highlands, where data and innovations ascend, forming a towering mountain of artificial intelligence. This is where AI scales and elevates innovative solutions, creating a landscape of opportunities and challenges alike. Imagine the digital mountain as a vast terrain of innovation, where every ridge and peak represents a new technological breakthrough. In this terrain, artificial intelligence does not merely exist, it thrives, evolves, and leads the way to the summit. It's a journey, an ascent towards the pinnacle of technological innovation. Each step up this digital mountain is a step towards a more advanced, sustainable, and impactful future. However, scaling this mountain is not a solitary endeavor. It requires guidance, expertise, and a steadfast commitment to reaching the summit. Enter QuantumMind AI LLC not just as a companion but as a seasoned mountaineer, experienced in navigating the intricate pathways of this digital landscape. We are here to ensure that each step taken is a step towards sustainability and impact. We are here to guide the ascent, to ensure that the climb of artificial intelligence is not just about reaching the peak, but also about the journey towards it. This journey is about utilizing the power of AI to create solutions that are sustainable, to create innovations that have a lasting impact. It's about ensuring that the climb of AI is not just high but also wide, encompassing a vast expanse of innovative possibilities. We invite you to embark on this journey with us. Allow QuantumMind AI LLC to be your mountaineer, guiding you through the digital mountain where AI and scaling innovations converge. Together, we will ensure that your climb through the mountain of AI and scaling innovations rises towards solutions that are both sustainable and impactful. Join us as we ascend towards the future of innovation.